Want to ditch the desktop and stream directly from your phone to Kick? I'm going to show you exactly how. First, you'll need the Kick app. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for Kick and make sure you download the official app. It's the one with the white K on the purple background. Alright, once the app is installed, open it up and log into your Kick account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create one before you can stream. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a plus button in the center of the navigation bar. Tap that button. This will bring up a menu with a few options. You're going to want to select Start Stream. This is where you'll configure your stream settings. The first thing to do is give your stream a catchy title. This is what viewers will see when they're browsing Kick, so make it interesting. Next, choose the appropriate category for your stream. This helps viewers find content they're interested in. Make sure you select a category that accurately reflects what you'll be doing. You can also add a thumbnail image to your stream. This can be a picture you've already taken, or you can take a new one right then and there. A good thumbnail can really help attract viewers. Once you're happy with your title, category, and thumbnail, you can tap Go Live. Kick will now ask for permission to access your camera and microphone. Grant these permissions, otherwise, you won't be able to stream video or audio. This is a crucial step. And that's it, you are now live on Kick. You should see your camera feed and the chat window. Start interacting with your viewers and have fun. Remember to monitor your chat and engage with your audience to create a lively and entertaining stream. Happy streaming!